Unit number 39. 9 plus 3 is 12. That's a 3. I like 3s. Believe it or not, Alex and I bought this unit together. Go figure. After we're not partners anymore. Reunited and it feels so good. Take the safe, Alex. Think I'm gonna get it?
No idea your weight.
Oh boy.
Oh, that stuff in the thing. Yeah.
Go for it.
Can we, that,
Ooh. There's something big in there.
Louis Vuitton? No.
It's only military sterling back.
It's pretty light.
Sterling.
Nachos here. You would be really awesome.
It's nice to see how other people's techniques for getting a safe open is.
I don't think this technique's gonna work. That sucks. Oh, good hit. Good hit.
On $16,432, please. Look at you,
I might clean the mess up afterwards here.
That's all right. Michelle loves this.
It's the wrong side of the safe.
Look at that. That was a good hit.
That one was pretty good. Let me try. All right, if you get it right in that crack there, he's actually got the corner of that thing. Oh, there we go. Now get on top of it. Oh yeah, this is good footage right here.
Now we almost have enough to get that in there.
Don't slip and go up with that screwdriver. It's gonna be a bad day.
Slam that in there.
Here.
One of my next investments I buy is just going to be like a good skill saw, the saw blade. We can just cut these open, just be done. I think we should do the same thing on the other corner because there's going to be 2 pins. We got to get in here now. It's an absolute mess. I think we should try going down here more. Oh,
There you go.
see how it popped out some?
Yeah.
That's just the door. Oh, Lord, if you're listening.
Jewelry pouches there.
Oh, come on, Lord have mercy.
Oh, little diamond earrings.
Okay, we got something. It's a big bag.
That's cool.
Silver dollars. All in little medallions. Oh, it's a belt.
The concho.
$2.
Golden J. Looks like. Those are real silver dollars at least. Let's see if you got some gold coins there.
Pink slips. More pink slips.
Well, that looks like everything that's in the safe.
Anything in that thing? I'll be necklace. Pearl necklace.
Oh, boy. All right. Cool. That's better than...
They actually kept stuff in there safe.
Oh! You always be leaving your deposits. I like at least when you get something in a safe. This is the money shot. We at least got well over $400 in silver dollars. It's scrap value and gold. And this is where everybody's gonna be like, you guys are idiots. You don't look at the dates and you don't tell if they're this and that. And trust and believe, in more than just the 3 minutes of this video, we take them to specialists. We see what they're worth. We find the value. We have them critiqued. Sometimes you even go as far as grading. So